Jack is a business owner who has been struggling to grow his business lately. To beat this funk, Jack decides to do some research into business growth opportunities. In his research, Jack discovers that 68% of clients leave a business because of a perceived indifference. Not only that, but he found out that it costs up to 6 times more to win a new client than it does to keep an existing one. And that despite knowing this, most businesses spend the biggest share of their marketing dollar on trying to get new clients. With this information in mind, Jack has an idea. Jack thinks, all I need to do is regularly stay in touch with my current clients and show that I appreciate them in a meaningful and personal way. This would strengthen our relationship, leading to increased business. With this idea driving him, Jack brainstormed the possible solutions. Email is impersonal. Calling them is impractical. What about finding a way to send them a personalized card? It's tangible and will provide a lasting experience. Hitting the web to find the solution, Jack finds CR Cards. This online site is perfect, thinks Jack. I simply upload my client details from my database, choose a great card, add my message, personalize it with my business branding, and then hit send. I can send out real, personalized cards to one or hundreds of my clients in minutes without leaving the office. With this quick, affordable, and self-manageable system at his disposal, Jack can now watch his business grow. We offer you a way to transform how your company manages its business relationships.